Joining us is the Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly. So welcome, Sir City, and thank you so much for joining us. Tell us about your experience being here at the 10th CPA conference.
Well, the 10th CPA conference has kicked off today, and it's indeed a moment of pride, privilege, and honor to attend the same and represent Maharashtra. This is a forum or platform where various issues concerning working of state legislatures is discussed. The whole concept of parliamentary democracy is deliberated, how we can strengthen it, what are the measures that we can take up in the times to come to ensure that people's faith in parliamentary democracy increases. And today we are also discussing a very important topic with regards to the role of legislatures in achieving sustainable goals, so development goals. And I think this is very important for a common man's point of view, not just from a legislator's point of view, because at the end of the day, in a parliamentary form of democracy, we are aware that decisions are taken by the representative of the people, and they are taken for the people. And therefore, if right decisions are taken, if right policies are formulated, if right legislations are enacted, keeping in mind the sustainable goals, then everyone will stand to benefit, and we will be successfully achieving these goals which we have set up for ourselves.
Point well taken. Your stint as a Speaker of the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly has been spoken about a lot. Tell us about the big achievements, the big initiatives that you've taken as a Speaker of the Assembly.
So, as you're aware that the world is moving towards artificial intelligence, digitalization, we've undertaken a very, very big program concerning digitalization of the entire state legislature, where we are digitalizing records from 1937. So at the click of a button now, the entire state will have access to all the proceedings of the state assembly, all the records of the state assembly, all the laws that have been enacted or repealed by the state assembly and by the state legislature. In Maharashtra, we have a bicameral legislature, and therefore this will be a landmark move by the state legislature. We are also working towards making the state assembly and legislative council paperless.
Yes.
So the business will be transacted without any use of paper. We are also working towards sustainability within the legislature, that is by ensuring that the principles of democracy are not compromised within the house, because at the end of the day, the house is a platform or forum which sets an example before the state at large.
Point well taken. Thank you so much for talking to us.